other view. Never mind. Alright, fight.
Actually, hold on.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the hell out of here. Ah! Get Hi, dumbass.
Oh my god!
I wish I was recording this. Bro, I just punched the dude in the butt and he just went flying off. Oh my god.
Nathan, you talking?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Homie said, ask him if he's talking. He said, yeah, I'm here. That wasn't the question. That's not the right response needed. It's, yes, that. Yes, my What the f? My neck just stretched.
Oh my god, what was that? Your neck just stretched.
Hey, dumbass. Oh, fuck, I'm stuck. Let go of the goddamn area. Fuck. No! You stupid ass. Stupid.
Oh yeah, Caesar.
Caesar will get killed with his grandpa.
Caesar losing
that, my grandma.
Probably not losing grandpa. Bruh. That's crazy, Anthony. He learned your technique so quick, and I didn't even have to tell him. Oh, yes, I did. I told him all the exercises.
Oh my, this bird, bro. I said I'm grabbing a bird.
Crazy. My student becomes the master. Damn.
He just Superman punched him.
You saw that?
I'ma kill myself. Wow, I got knocked out.
Should be petty.
Oh, one of the grandpa's dead. My bad, Eric. That was me. Oh, my bad, Anthony. Oh, I knocked everybody.
Damn.
I knocked all my teammates out, but the enemy. Crazy. Get the hell out of here. Bro.
A ella le gusta el tren, no le gusta la carretera. Era solo un chuchu.
Bruh, this dude killed himself with me. Oh, bro, that blue guy's my enemy.
You left me and Eric left? Are you serious? How is that possible?
Look at Eric. Down with it. Look at retarded eyeball.
Imagine it's the same thing as last time. But with me and Anthony.
What?
No way.
Dumbass. I don't have to do anything. Dumbass just walked off. Dumbass.
Oh my god. He's alive. Get up.
I'm thrust in the floor in front of him. Bye.
Wow. Damn.
Oh,
Fuck you.
Hey,
Oh, he
everybody left.
They left.
Oh damn, it's just
Damn.
four of us.
Alright, see, I want to see you get your payback on it.
Is it just us now?
He just said that. That's not what he just said.
They're doing their own thing.
Eric, holy how do you
He said, Anthony, wait! Oh no!
Oh wait, I can't get a good view on y'all fighting. Hold on, what the fuck? I'm killing
No, he wants us.
Let's wait till he gets to view.
I actually can't get up, so I can.
No way, he's not. He's
Never mind.
He's still alive.
I'll get the other view. Never mind. Alright, fight. Bruh. That's what happened to me. But I was on the train. Alright, I'll take Eric out. Y'all can fight.
Oh my god.
I just got hit, put it off.
Eric, you let go of me, you little fucking.
Fireheart?
Who burned in their crib? Who burned in their crib? Anthony? Anthony burned in his house. Bro, homie forgot to turn off the beams. He forgot to add more water. He burnt the beans. I hope he posts this. I hope he posts this. Oh my god.
Fire alarm goes off. Mid game.
The water's the beans, bruh. Yo, Anthony, for the title name, put I burnt the beans. I burnt the house.
Watch this shit.
Who's the police officer?
Ice, show me your IDs. Show me your IDs. Oh, this piece of shit.
I just walked off, okay.
He bought the strips. Like a goofy.
What you crazy?
Knock me out.
Bro, Caesar, I was gonna ask you. I just remember what I was gonna ask you. Caesar, bro.
What happened?
If I were to do Starlights, bro, I do not want to take one day, bro. You
No!
Bruh.
Let's go. Fight.
Jump. I died. You said Starlight?
Caesar, if I were to add Starlights, bro, and change the headliner, can you help me out?
The fuck
Yeah.
am I doing?
But the thing is, I don't know where to be putting their like.
Oh my
detector and,
god.
the battery. I heard
put him in
they
like a
connect
trunk.
battery. Yeah, like in the trunk or underneath.
My brother has his in a trunk or underneath the seat.
Yeah, that's all I've seen underneath this. Oh wait, this Eric. My bad, Eric. Oh shit. I've seen
lagging like
underneath the glove box.
I just had a
like,
dude, I
I'm
have
not
a
even
big
holding
ass
inside
dick.
the glove
It's gonna
box
kick
or
me out,
underneath
bro.
the seat or shit. But does it turn on automatically or is there like a switch?
Damn!
Is it, bruh? It's
How you
just
doing,
for
Anthony?
Shut up.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'll let y'all do your thing. Oh snap.
What is going on with my character, bro? He has stick. My dude moving on his own. What the fuck is going on? Do I have stick drift?
My hand's stuck.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm not even trying to. What's going on with my character right now? Eric, I know my character's fucked up, but I will. I was gonna say I was gonna whoop your ass, but never mind. Yeah, never mind. You're just a fucking disappointment. Just hop the fuck up, bro. Exactly. I don't even have to.
There's no way, Eric.
Eric's his ass.
How did you just fall off?
Oh my god.
Bro,
How many years does Eric have on this game? He's still butt.
Not many, bro.
Yes, you do.
I have barely a week. You killed yourself?
Anthony, I don't even have my hand on my controller. Look at this. Eric, you're not killing me, bro. I'm lagging. Well, not lagging, but
Damn.
my controller's ghosting. But I'm not lagging. It's never in your goddamn life. Never mind, you might actually win. I can't do shit.
Why am I grabbing to the railing? I wasn't even grabbing.
Yeah, I'm knocked out. Oh.
You know what? Fuck you. I'm going this way. I'm drowning. I'm dead.
Bro, I can't do what I want. I can't do what I want. I'm doing the worm by accident. Bro, my hand's not even on, bro, my hand's not even on the controller and I'm doing the worm. Look at this. Like deadass, my hand is not even on my controller, bro.
Anthony's hacking. He has a PC.
Probably.
He put cheat codes.
oh my god.
Oh shit, I'm dead. Bro, what is going on with my fucking shit though, bro? That's crazy.
Imagine you died by Eric, Anthony.
That'd be crazy. Anthony, help me! Help me!
Grab his ass.
I can't control what I'm doing right now.
Don't eat
Not
it.
eat my ass, grab it. Bro. No, Anthony, hold on, don't fight me. Look,
I
I
died.
don't even have my hand on my.
No pain, no gain, in the game, can't tame, fuck fame, bitch ashamed, niggas lame. No pain, no gain, in the game, can't tame, fuck fame, bitch ashamed.